Hey fam, welcome to Jack to Jeep. So, I tried to record this once before. My camera was flipped around and all you guys could see was black. So, if you look back here, I got a bunch of goodies in my Jeep. Those are actually, most of that, all like the bottles of water and all that are for the full firefighters. If you have means to help those that are helping us fight these wildfires, I strongly encourage you to do so. It's been really crazy here in Wyoming. We've had the smoke from the fires from Colorado. We've had some up from California. And then within the last week, we had a huge fire. I think it's about 80,000 acres in Wyoming. And it's been really, really crazy. And I just, I was a volunteer firefighter, so I kind of get it a little bit. And I would strongly encourage you guys, if you have the means to help, those that are fighting these fires, to do so. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you guys a little quick fix that I did on my heater vents. As you guys know, sometimes when you get an older Jeep, these vents end up closing. This actually is for a little mirror. When I forget to put my doors on, I pop my little mirror on here. That way I'm legal and they don't yell at me. But anyway, if you have a problem with when you're turning your vents on high, the air on high, and these closing, I can tell you how to fix them. And how that is when I took these out, these are broke. I can take all of them out. But when I took them out, I noticed there was a gob of dust, red dust from Moab, and so I actually ended up throwing them in the dishwasher. And by throwing them in the dishwasher, it actually made it to where these aren't so loosey-goosey, and they stay open now when I have my vents on high. So, works great. Just make sure you don't break it like I did, because now they just come in and out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But by washing them in the dishwasher, it fixed it for me. Hope it fixes it for you. In the meantime, I just want to tell you guys, I do apologize that I haven't been putting out a lot of content lately, and here's why. As a lot of you know, I'm a teacher, and I decided to quit my brick and mortar school for lots of different reasons. But with that, I decided to become a virtual school teacher, and with that comes a lot of learning of new stuff, and I've been really just trying to focus on that. My Jeep's going crazy because my battery cable's loose. I've been trying to learn that, trying to get stuff going for the students. The other day, my wife was watching me teach one of my lessons virtually, and one of my students is Spanish speaking and another one is deaf. So I was signing to one and speaking Spanish to the other, and my wife's like, "This is crazy." I'm like, yeah, well, it's kind of what it is. Doing what I need to do to try to help these kids, especially because this is my last year teaching, and you'll definitely be seeing a lot more content from me after this school year's out. But in the meantime, unfortunately right now, I just got to focus on this job and putting good curriculum out for these kids. So, in the meantime, if you like what you're seeing, hit subscribe. If you don't like what you're seeing, hit subscribe. Please hit that bell, that way you can be notified of any new content when I do put it out. And I have a lot of content to put out. I just don't have the time right now. In the meantime, thanks again for watching Jack to Jeep. I hope you guys are enjoying life. Be safe, be respectful, be responsible, and leave it better than you found it. Make sure you're not starting any of those forest fires. That's horrible. And thank you again. I do greatly appreciate you guys' time watching my channel and subscribing. Thanks again. I'm out. Bye.